Hello, my name is Yukiyoshi Sato.
My name is Sierra Hoshikawa,
My name is Ziquan Deng.
and this is our adaptation of Eyes of the Blue Dog by Gabriel Garcia Marquez.
Eyes of a blue dot. You have eyes of a blue dot.
What do you mean, Eyes of a Blue Dog?
Your eyes, like ash. The color is so intricate that I can't imagine painting them.
You always talk about my eyes, saying they're like eyes of a blue dog.
Because they're so strangely beautiful.
Don't you feel the cold?
No. You want my jacket?
Yeah.
I'm beginning to remember when we first met, freshman year, in this room. I always thought you were like a little round statue. Your skin,
It's like copper. At night, my skin feels like it's made out of some kind of metal. I'm always so cold. And this winter's been especially icy. I haven't been able to get warm for so long.
I guess I feel cold now. You want me to turn the heater?
Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna freeze.
Were you out last night? When did you get in?
Oh, I had to take the late shift. I stayed at work until like 3, so I just crashed at my girlfriend's place. I mean, it's closer, you know?
Anything interesting happen?
Anything interesting? Nah, man. You know, I was too tired, right? So,
Yeah, I'm just joking.
Yeah, I'm sorry, it's just my boss. He puts me on the worst shifts ever. I get like all the crazies, and they're the worst at tipping. Not to mention midterms. I'm a dead man.
Me too. I haven't even started my art portfolio.
So, Dolly, what are you thinking of painting?
I can't think of anything worth your painting. Anything.
Maybe you need some inspiration, my friend. Or a girlfriend.
You know I don't have the time for girls.
Well, you're missing out, you know.
Whatever. I just need to finish my project.
So, what's it on?
Something to do with beauty.
See? Woman, I told you so.
Nah, women are too complicated.
Eyes of a Blue Dog? Do you have any idea what that means?
Not really, do you?
No, but I'm looking for someone who can tell me what Eyes of a Blue Dog means.
Ah, and how's that going?
Just great. Are you sure nothing about this seems familiar?
Hold on. Weren't you the one always daydreaming in Mr. Scoggins' intro to history class?
Yeah, that was me. Can't believe I passed that class.
So, yeah, may I take your order?
Eyes of a Blue Dog.
You're funny. I'll just get you the special.
Sure.
Alright. Yo, T-Bone, one special for the cute crazy girl at table 6? Thanks.
Eyes of a Buddha.
You said that last time. Don't you remember?
No, I don't remember anything.
You never remember anything. How do you survive in the real world?
I don't even know.
I've been thinking about Eyes of Blue Dog. You're the only one that says that to me. No one can tell me what it means.
Your hot cold eyes. I can't stop thinking about them. I want to paint them, but every time I can never capture their beauty. That's why you have eyes of a Buddha.
So you do remember.
How could I not?
Well then, have you seen Eyes of Blue Dog written anywhere recently?
No. Why?
Well, you could call it vandalism, but I painted Eyes of Blue Dog all over the science building yesterday.
So no, you're becoming an artist. I thought I was the only artist in this relationship.
You're the only artist in this relationship, and you can hardly call what I did art. But I'm serious. Have you seen it?
No, I never go to the science building.
It's still cold in here. Can't you do something about it?
Maybe the windows are open.
It's colder than last night.
Really? I don't feel the cold at all.
Oh, whoa! Cool eyes, dude!
Thanks.
I feel like I've seen them before, though.
Me too. I think I remember them from somewhere. I just don't know where.
Are you sure there isn't some kind of muse, maybe someone special you haven't told me about, with crazy blue eyes?
I think I wouldn't if I did.
So you're telling me this is all from your imagination?
I think so, but they do look familiar.
So, then this is got to be one of your greatest works.
I know, right? These eyes are so captivating. I'm trying to get a stick portfolio.
But aren't they a bit feminine, you know?
What?
See, beauty, I told you, women.
Not sure if it's a woman. I mean, it could be a man. You can't just tell from curved eyes.
Those are definitely women's eyes.
Maybe. I have been having strange dreams.
Well, you're late today.
Traffic, and with the rain, it makes everyone a worse driver.
So, how's the search for Eyes of a Blue Dog going?
I swear I'm not crazy, but I know you don't believe me.
I never called you crazy.
You're just like everyone else, whether you like it or not. No one believes me.
Well, you can't blame them. I mean, nobody knows what Eyes of a Blue Dog means. And to be honest, neither do you.
I do, but that's not the point.
Then why do you ask what it means if you already know what it means?
It's complicated. I'm looking for a man who knows what Eyes of Blue Dog means.
So let's say I'm reading. I have this friend who needs a model for this painting he's doing. And I think you're a perfect match. Are you free any time to maybe meet up with him?
What kind of painting?
It's a woman's face.
Okay, sure, I'll let you know when I'm free.
eyes of a Buddha.
Why bother saying it? You'll just forget everything again.
No, this time, after I finish the painting, I will remember everything. This painting, your eyes, and our dreams together.
You're the only man who can't remember anything that he's dreamed of after he wakes up. Don't leave. If you leave, you'll forget everything.
I want to touch you now.
Don't touch me. Or else we won't be able to see each other.
Don't worry. We always see each other in the dream.
But that's just dreams. I want to actually see you.
We will.
Dude, wake up! What are you doing? Still sleeping? Come on, we gotta meet the girl.
What girl?
You know the girl for your painting.
Oh, those guys?
Yeah.
I remember now.
She's perfect for your eyes.
If she has to have the right eyes, how long do you know her?
Well, I mean, we're not friends, but she goes to the restaurant every day, so I guess I know her.
Great. So, we're meeting a complete stranger?
No. Well, okay, yes. But we had a class together, so we're more like acquaintances, you know?
Alright, let's go.
Eyes of blue dog. Eyes of blue dog. Eyes of blue dog.
So, just to clarify, I'm not 100% sure this girl's sane or not.
But she has eyes in the painting, right?
Yeah, exactly the same eyes.
No problem.
So I'll let you two get to know each other.
Alright, see ya.
Eyes of blue dog.
What